Sabi to kay PJ Ramos?
Iba yun.
Iba.
Months. That's why I'm glad tapos na kami.
And that is a perfect segue to the topic of this episode. Because there seems to be overwhelming support from the fans to make PJ Ramos the commissioner of the PBA. Best import. Best import.
Pwede lang i-naturalize.
Pwede Ramos eh, no?
No, because I remember he watched the game with Manny, tapos parang yung mata, ang laki, and then parang, bagal yan, ano na yan, ganito, ganyan. And then now he's averaging 30 and 20 every game. Average.
Last game,
36 and 33. 36 and 33. Parang vital stats lang.
33 rebounds sa dalawang taon sa
Brennan, is he your sure choice for best import? I mean, regardless what happens.
Oo, of course. Si PJ Ramos eh.
Kahit di mag-champion Kia, kahit di mag-finals, kahit di mag-semis.
As of now, those 4 wins are big for Kia na binigay niya. Kasi alam natin, ito si PJ Ramos, pag tinanggal mo dun, walang ipapanalo yung Kia.
Bakit naman?
Grabe ka naman.
Grabe ka.
May pinanalo.
Grabe ka.
Parang sinasabi mo, joke si Manny
Grabe.
Pag wala report ng Kia this conference, mananalo ba sila? Oo.
Nanalo sila last conference.
Hindi, this conference.
Matatalo sila, tsaka magbabayad pa sila ng fine.
Yun.
Wala sila import.
Hindi sila mananalo pag tinanggal si PJ Ramos. Pero seriously, PJ Ramos, averaging what? 30 plus points, 20 plus rebounds, 8 assists? Mga ganun ang average niya. So pag tinanggal mo talaga siya doon, kasi napapagaling niya yung buong Kia team eh. Kia Carnival team, sila Leo Avenido, sila Hiram Bagasin, LA Revilla. Yung those guys, parang sila yung nakikinabang kasi nag-open up lahat yung floor pag nandun si PJ Ramos. You have to double and triple team him. Even double team, hindi siya masa-stop. Ito si PJ Ramos. Hindi kaya talaga.
Dahil kahit pagpatong mo yung dalawang double team, mas malaki pa rin.
Kasi
Lalo na kung kayo ni Monfort yun.
kwento ko lang. Nung game namin,
oh.
kailangan na yung double si Ramos.
Ikaw yung double?
Yan na, kasi doon ng game nun eh. Kala niya, ano ba ito? Napadaan.
Parang may lamok lang na. Lamok ah.
Teka lang, kaya pala best player siya.
Kaya pala prediction niya para mapag-usapan ulit.
Kasi hindi yun yung dahilan. Ako pumili ng best player mo.
Before the game pala, nagkindatan ako.
Sa kuneta.
Extra bonus yun, ha?
Oo. Ninyo na. Hey! Kaya sabi sa kanya, okay lang maliit ka ngayon.
Sabi ko kay Daddy.
May clincher talaga yung jump ball ninja boom mo. Yun eh. Sabi ko, ganito. Best player natin. Jai, minsan-minsan lang to. Hindi na mauulit yan. Okay, Miko. Okay.
Kung kayo mag-jump ball, kung kayong tatalon, never nyo sasabihin saan nyo tatapikin.
Sinabi eh, no?
Sabi. Dito, sa likod ah. Alam ko. Don't hate the player. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Susie, is PJ Ramos the obvious choice for best import?
He's been pretty much unstoppable, but paano mo ibe-best import kung hindi umabot ng playoffs? I mean, they have a legitimate chance.
Ito, exception to.
Talaga? You think?
Because he is a... yun yung nakalagay sa trophy niya. Yung nakalagay sa ilalim ng pangalan. PJ Ramos. Yung naka-engrave dun sa ano.
Where do you buy your shoes? Sabihin sa bibis, bibili sa pants.
May kino-combine dalawa.
Tinatayo
So yeah, PJ Ramos, I mean, hands down. So feeling mo,
Ako, I'm super impressed
But
super
pero feeling mo,
talaga.
if they do not, let's say top 4,
Hindi. Top quarters, kung umabot silang quarters, sige, bibigay ko.
bibigyan mo? Ano bibigyan mo? Yung
Yung monster.
Hindi mag-save.
Hindi kasi, ang kalokohan naman kung ibibigay mo dyan, tapos di sila umabot. kahit saan. Although, I agree with Renren na hindi naman sila aabot sa kahit na ilang, I mean, hindi naman. Hindi ko sinasabing jokes sa Pacquiao, Don't put words in my mouth,
250,000 yan.
Don't speak too soon.
Hindi, seryoso. I mean, I agree with Renren when he said na Kia probably wouldn't be where they are right now. They definitely wouldn't be where they are right now if not for him. I mean,
I think everyone can agree with that.
we all saw what happened in the All-Filipino Cup. In the, yun ba tawag?
Philippine Cup.
Philippine Cup. Okay. So, sige, ang galing niya, ang lupit niya. Namamanga ako every time I watch him. Nalulula ako sa stats niya. But if you don't bring your team to, I mean, no matter how not good they are, if they don't get to the playoffs even, if they don't at least to the quarters, then tapos.
Wow. Okay, we'd like to welcome our surprise the PJ Ramos. PJ, run! No, but ano naman yung point niya, kasi di ba if pumipili ka ng best import, kino-consider mo din kung hanggang saan aabot yung team. That's why Josh Davis is being
Maganda
considered.
yung point ni Susie.
Ivan Johnson should be considered. Because Stokatex is leading. Wayne Chisholm also needs to be considered. Tingin mo
the way they're playing right now, kasi lahat nagsi-step up.
Pati tinalo nila yung potential.
Alam mo,
Alam mo, lalo kung may bigla silang masaya na shooter.
Yun, ang tingin ko talagang yung Kia lalayo pag meron silang gusto kunin na shooters.
Oo.
3-pointers sila.
Ay,
Grabe.
Tingin ko lang
Alam mo, do it for PJ Ramos.
Tingin ko lang tingin ko. Tingin mo.
Oo, tingin ko din.
Grabe, klase. Confidence.
Keep the dream alive.
Charles, PJ Ramos, is he the hands down best
I think
import?
also if they make it to the playoffs. I don't know if it's happened before na an import na out.
Nawala sa finals?
Hindi, kahit playoffs.
Kahit
Quarters
Kahit
na.
quarters. Ako at least quarters, okay na. But if not, I like Thornton, who's really and maybe because Rainier Shine's been playing Riva, si Chisholm, and since he came, ang galing talaga nila. Pero yung stats niya, not like Thornton and Ramos.
Pero impact player si Wayne Chisholm
Okay siya, solid. Pero kung hindi ako Ramos, Thornton ako. Kasi medyo
I like yung import namin.
dapat na.
Import namin yun. lang.
Kasi paputo lang ang kuryente pag di mo pinili si Davis Alam mo, it's a talented field. May Denzel Bowles ka pa dyan. Yung Ivan Johnson, grabe din. Yun lang.
Unless they go all the way to the finals.
Pero may isa pang magandang pag-isipan. Yung for next conference pala,
Unlimited height. Yung last four.
Last four,
Unlimited
height.
So pwede siyang...
So pag hindi pumasok yung Kia,
may kukuha dyan iba.
pwede si Ramos ulit i-import nila.
6'5 yung babantay.
6'5 yung
My goodness.
import ng kalaban.
import na kalaban.
That's
So
important.
kung Kia ka, pwede mong pag-isipan. Magpalaglag ka na lang.
So,
Then,
task
malaki
ka.
yung chance mo next conference.
Doon ka,
Next conference na lang
Tama-tama.
pinilabas.
6'5 yung kalaban.
May PJ Ramos ka na, may Renner Netuano ka pa. Wala na.
Patay.
Wala, kira tayo lahat. Pag siya mabuti sa inyo, championship yun. Para alis nangyari sa third conference ang championship, Meralco versus Kia.
Ay, ang saya.
Kasi na Upper Bino, proud na proud kami. Box office pa. Hindi, Manny Pacquiao.
True. China
Jair.
Cooking kayo
Pero yun, ako natutuwa ako na traditionally kasi, when you talk about best import, ang tinitignan lang yung import sa taas. Finals, actually finals na yung series nga, it's fine. Pero ako natutuwa ako na ngayon, it's sort of like fans are appreciating pag yung may isang player na sobrang grabe, they actually like don't care if umabot sila ng finals o
Look what
hindi.
he's doing to Kia.
Yun na kaya nakakatuwa Kaya nakakatuwa siya. Okay, PJ Ramos
Cute no?
Si PJ? My only problem with PJ Ramos is that you should change your name. PJ! Pang boy next door. Dapat tipong Bruno Ramos. Kaya Brando Ramos. Diba? Parang PJ, diba? Parang, kaya hindi mo kilala, hindi mo alam ang itsura. Pare, babantayan mo yung PJ Ramos. PJ Ramos? Sure, PJ Ramos. Pag nakita mo, Groot! Oh my God! PJ pa yan! Diba, you do not look like a PJ. Change your name, diba? Some parang wrestler name, diba?
Kung tunog malaki, Charles.
Dapat paan niya, Dick.
Upper_B? On Twitter?
Grabe siya, yan laki ni Dick!
Pag nag-aaway, di ba? Nagalit si Nico.
Ang laki! Grabe rin! Titiruan ako!